Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make you revise some questions of the chapter 1 Economics Development of class 10. So let's start the video without any delay because I know if I start introducing my channel it will be late for you. So let's start from question number 1. It's 101 because before questions were of the before subject chapter that were history and geography. Here you go from which one of the following is not a developmental goal for land-based rural laborers. So these will be the answer will be A, more days of work and better wages. Because landless rural laborers don't want like if you can use the elimination method if you couldn't know the answer. They cannot become the leaders. Yes, they can become the leaders. There is social discrimination. Yes, there is social discrimination. There is no social discrimination, but this is not. So this is okay, sorry, this is not a development. Okay, not a development, that means it will be D. I'm sorry, it will be D because these above three are mentioned in your NCERT book. If you could read your NCERT book properly, you could know every question answer. So second, which of the following is a developmental goal for landrace rural levelers? Developmental goal you could to get electricity and water, to get educate their children, more days of work and better wages. So it will be option C because you don't have to read more because we question just answered the question. What would be the most appropriate aspiration of a prosperous farmer from Punjab? It would be surely nothing else. Punjab, if you could read, for prosperous farmers from Punjab actually have higher support prices for their crop through their were very hardworking and cheap laborer. They will be able to settle their children abroad. So what will be the aspiration of prosperous farmer? That is not to able, not proper supply for irrigation, not able to pursue a job in abroad. Sorry, there is no social discrimination. Local school is able to provide for their children. So actually, according to me, it will be D because the other three couldn't be the answer. A 104th question, to get more dash industrialists may want more dams. That is to get more electricity because they don't need water, they need no material also. Wait a second, let me see the answer properly. So according to this, it will be according to me electricity also, water also. So it will be according to me maybe electricity, not anything else, electricity. Question number 105. In order to get more income, people need decent prices for crop, better wages, regular work. All of these will be the answer. 106. Besides seeking more income, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of other. What does the given statement signify? So, according to this, mixed goals are important for people, common goals are important for people, similar goals are important for people, or conflicting goals are important for people. So what will be your answer according to this? According to me, this is something that is a very tricky question. Let us understand the question first. It is said that people also need something else beside only money. They need something else. So that is mixed goals are important for people for development. It will be A. Besides seeking more income one way or the other, people not seek things like it is asked that besides seeking more income, so people don't need something else, just like they also they need equal treatment, they need freedom, they need security, they don't need discrimination. So that will be D. Coming to question number 108. What is the meaning of material goods? Material goods that they can be touched, they can be seen, they are tangible. So that is option D. So if you don't know the meaning of tangible, so you can just, they can be seen, they can be touched. Materials means we say your phone or your book, you can see them, you can touch them. So after that, it will become automatically all of these. So what is a factor on which life depends? According to me, life depends in both material things and non-material things, both of these. There are many things that are not easily grasped, but they mean a lot to our lives. They are not easily measured. These are often ignored. No, they are not easily available, but they mean a lot to our lives. According to me, it may be option A. They cannot be easily measured because love or any affection cannot be measured by any. You can measure it in centimeter or meter. No, so you cannot. If you get a job in far off place, but before accepting it, you will try to consider facilities for family, job security, opportunity to learn. According to me, it will be all of these. What is your answer? It will be all of these according to me. And if we don't get an answer, we will go for solution are also in provided by CBSE here. So question number 112, which type of environment may allow more women to take up variety of jobs? Which type of environment may allow more women to take a variety of job? That is greater acceptance of women working outside, respect to women, a safe and secure environment. Three things are needed, so it will be all of these. It is very important to keep in mind that persons could have dash as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. Could have, that a different person could have different. It will be, the answer will be B. Select the country where 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into air dumps. It will be Africa. If you could read the let's work these out past the internal, there are internal paragraph. If you could read this, you will know. So that is the Ivory Coast at Africa. 115th question, when we compare different students, usually we take one or more important characteristic of student and compare them on these characteristics. According to the, it will be marks secured. For comparing countries, their dash is considered to be important attribute. Income, it will be option B. The income of the country is the income of dash of the country. Of all residents, it will be of all resident. Total income of the country divided by its total population is per capita income, and per capita income is itself average income. So it will be option number C. National income of a country divided by its total population is known as. Just think and give the answer because this is not easy one. National income of country by divided total population, just now I said per capita income. What is per capita income? If you could say what is per capita income? That is an indicator to show the living standard of people in a country. According to me, to option C. Let us read option D also. Living standard of children. So it will be option C. Okay. Go for 121. Country with per capita income of dash and above is rich. It will be option number B. US dollar 112,056 per annum. 122. Let me lower my brightness. I'm paining my eyes. Okay. India comes in the category of dash country because its per capita income in 2017 was US dollar 1,820 per annum. India is coming, if according to me, low, middle income, rich income, low income countries. So you have to think and tell the answer. Okay, low middle income country, not low income country, low middle income countries. 124. The rich country, excluding countries of Middle East and certain other small countries, are generally called developed countries. C. 125. Dash is the number of death per 1,000 live birth of children under 1 year of age. The rate for a given region is the number of children dying under 1 year of age divided by number of live birth during the year multiplied by 1,000. It will be infant mortality rate. 126. What age group is considered in calculating infant mortality rate? It will be between birth and age 1. That is A, option A. Literacy rate means the proportion of literate population in the dash age group. That will be 7 and above. Okay. So you can know that whatever schemes of education are coming, that is for 7 and above children. And not 18 and above, not 21 and above, not 3 and above. It will be 7 and above. What do you mean by net attendance ratio? What do you mean by net attendance ratio? And if anyone have read the chapter of NCERT properly, they could understand and they could give the answer just like in a bullet speed. So according to me, it is a total number of children of age group 14 and 15 year attending school uh, of same. So it will be 14 to 16 because it has been changed. It will be 14 to 16 attending the school. Okay. What factor other than income are important aspect of our life? It will be all of the above, because pollution free environment we need, disease free life we need, protection from infectious disease through treatment of by doctors we need. 130. Girls in the rural sector are sometimes not able to get secondary level education. Which of the following is not the correct reason for this situation? Again, girls in India in the rural sector are sometimes not able to get secondary level education. Which of the following is not correct for this situation? It will be option number C. In villages, women. It is talked about women. Did women also contribute a lot, contribute a major agricultural workforce, which again works to their disadvantage. 131. Kerala will do today till 133 question. I'll give you the part 2 of next questions also, because today I have some work to I have to go. So it was only solving 20 questions MCQ today. I'll do again, and next time surely I'll make you do more questions. Kerala has dash infant mortality rate. It was low because Kerala is a literate state. Which function of PDS, that is public distribution system, distribution of black market product? No. Control hoarding, control price? No. Popularize black marketing in the country? None of the above. It will be none of the above. In Tamil Nadu, dash percent of people living in rural area use rations of, whereas in Jharkhand, dash. According to me, I don't know the answer properly, but if you could try, you could give the answer in the comment section and make me know, so that I can learn from you also. It's a learning process, right? You have to learn something from me, I have to learn something from you. So take care, bye bye, and wait for my next MCQ series.